Hey, what's up guys? It's Adrian here, back with another vlog. Unfortunately, I don't have too much to report on the Subaru. Got a couple setbacks. One, changing jobs, I'm moving again, and the part supplier that I was getting all my parts from is closing their doors, which really sucks. The place that I was getting parts from was Rev Performance Auto down in the lower mainland, and they're just closing their doors due to some family stuff. Yeah, I just want to give a shout out to them for giving the best prices around and offering awesome customer service. So I have been trying to button up a couple things on the Subaru just to get ready for moving, just bolting some things on. I'm kind of at the point where I need to order more parts to make the existing parts that I already have ordered work. So without having a parts supplier, it makes that a bit difficult. The things that I have put on are my Torque Solutions TGV deletes with the Grimspeed phenolic spacers, the Torque Solutions turbo inlet, and I bolted on my NVIDIA downpipe, which I've wrapped. Pro tip, if you're gonna wrap a downpipe, don't use this stuff. This is supposed to be the Canadian equivalent to DEI, I believe, but this is absolutely garbage. Wet or dry, I was covered in itchy fibers. The garage was covered in itchy fibers, and it was a real pain in the ass to install. So if you're gonna wrap any exhaust component, just go ahead and spend the money on DEI or Tomei or something other than this. This is cheap, but don't be fooled. Don't buy it off Amazon. So here's just a quick look at the car in its current state. Not too much to report. See if you can see that downpipe down there that I wrapped. That's an NVIDIA catless with an extra port for a wideband. Yeah, I've just got this turbo inlet mocked up. I need to purchase my AOS first so I can run the hoses properly, and I think I need to do a little bit of trimming to this because this is touching the side of the engine bay here. But yeah, if you know any pro tips on cutting a silicone hose super straight, let me know, because I did kind of fuck up the back end of this one a bit. And I also decided to start on pulling out the stock fuel regulator instead of buying a Cobb system or the other brand. I can't remember the name. I'm just going to build my own. After watching a couple of YouTube videos and looking at a couple forum posts, it doesn't look too difficult. So I'm going to save myself a bunch of money and just build it myself. Yeah, that's just a quick update on where I'm at. The car is not going to be ready anytime soon, which is a big bummer, because car season's coming into full swing here with nicer weather. And yeah, I guess the only thing left to do is pack up the garage, put the car in a trailer, and get out of here.